Hi everyone, I'm Yin. I'm the cosmetic chemist at Craftiviti. We'd like to talk to you about our mini Crafti-Kit that's the most popular kit in our store right now. It's called the Soap Making Kit. In this kit, you get to make a wonderful butterfly soap like this. The kit teaches you everything that you need to know. It's a beginner's friendly kit. It's a kit that you can also use to teach your kids on how to make soap. It's great for adults, it's great for friends to have a party together and make soap together, or for kids to learn the very basic way of how to use melt and pour soap to make a beautiful butterfly soap like this. In this kit, you get two colors, so you learn how to blend the colors and create marbling effects for a beautiful butterfly soap. And this soap can be used almost immediately. It's suitable for all kinds of skin, and you learn how to incorporate fragrance, color, how to use the mold, how to play with the soap, the temperature, all that in this beginner's kit. This kit will take you 30 to 45 minutes to make the soap. Actually, to make the soap, it's less than 10 minutes, and then the waiting and cooling time will be about half an hour, and within that time, you get to learn how to make the most basic soap. So we'll consider this kit a 101 beginners friendly soap making kit. It's foolproof. We've got wonderful testimonials and reviews on this kit, and everything in here is specially curated and imported and tested by our wonderful team at Craftiviti. So have a look, have fun playing with this kit, and we've got plenty of other mini crafty kits that you can make really amazing creative creations with. And just check us out on